So as I came out here to check the panel, if you look down here over to the left, I noticed that this GFI right here, this yellow light right here indicates that it's tripped. So I want to go ahead and talk about GFIs for a minute. As you can see right here, you have a test and reset button right here. If the outlet's ever not working, sometimes what it is the reset button will be popped out further. Sometimes it's a yellow or orange indicator light saying that it needs to be reset. But all you need to do is really just push in right there, and it should reset. If it doesn't ever reset, I would call a local electrician to take a look at it, but it could be that it just needs to be replaced. These are usually supposed to be checked about once a month. The way you go ahead and check those is that you hit the test button to make it pop out like that, and then reset. If it resets, then it's working fine, and it's working the way it should be.